There's no one that should tell you or make you or force you to put something in your body. I'm sorry. You can tell me to pay taxes. You can tell me to, go to court for whatever reason. You can tell me to do those things. But when they're putting something in your body, that's where it crosses the line for me. And I'm so glad that you kind of just see where I'm coming from. I have no problem with people being vaccinated. People can be vaccinated. I have no problem with that. It's just that when someone tells me to do it, then I'm like, hey, buddy, hey, I live my life, you live your own.
That's it. That's
exactly.
it. Mind your business. That's you,
exactly, right?
Period.
Exactly. Okay, so speaking of this pandemic, this crazy time in this world, it's like once in 100 years you get these kind of opportunities, or not opportunities, but problems, I guess, in the world. So facing all these problems, as an artist, how did you combat these problems, and how did you use this time to really work on your craft and, use it to your advantage? We want to know, other artists want to know, in these times, what can you do as an artist to better your career?
Yeah, especially during this time. Man, a great question, actually. COVID, what it did for me, man, it made me go so hard, man, mentally. It really did. Like, and at that time when it started with COVID, I was in the phase of actually, planning some things out, just for the year or whatever. But you definitely, at a time when I say with COVID, take advantage of that time to really focus on, your career or your craft, especially if we're talking about music. I have my own studio. I got my own in-house studio. Yeah. Everything is in-house. And when that stuff hit, I made sure that, like, well, I got everything I need, I don't have to go nowhere, whatever. So I started, I've been started, but just making music in-house, man. I got my own setup, my own business structure, my business partner, engineer, that handles my music. But with COVID, man, it just gave me more time to myself, to plan, to really think.
Self-actualization.
You know what I mean? So that's what you should be doing, especially during this time. You own music, you're a producer, you're a songwriter or a rapper, singer, whatever it is, you need to be putting in work. And although
100%.
work comes with that, but with COVID, it's like, man, invest in yourself. I mean, this is, if you're that serious, I mean, you have to sit down and ask yourself, am I willing to sacrifice some things in my life? Either that's some relationships or family or friends. I mean, those some questions to ask yourself. Like, are you willing to sacrifice time, your job? I mean, if you're willing to sacrifice all those things, then the work will come. To and you have to really be in a mental position to believe in yourself. That you can make some things happen. You're gonna see that progress. But yeah, man, it's really taking this time now to really focus on you, to plan, to be prepared for whatever. But yeah, man, I like I said, this motivated me even to go even harder, man. Like I said, like mentally and as far as where I'm at, it's a journey. It don't happen overnight.
Yeah.
So
Yeah, I love the fact that you broke down, like, how you need to sacrifice and invest into your music. A lot of artists don't realize this, but this music, you're competing with millions of other artists. You need to distinguish yourself from the crowd. And how do you do that is to bring more attention to who you are. Your branding is amazing, just to say so, as an enthusiast, as a rap enthusiast, you know what you're doing with your brand.
Appreciate that,
you
man.
found your demographic, you found your niche, and you're going for it, and you're investing into that specific area and trying to push as much as you can in that area, which is awesome. I love that. So the R&B niche is really, really cool because, not a lot of artists are really attacking it, and you're coming in from a really unique standpoint, and I see that it's really, really cool. Talk to me about your music videos, because these music videos are really, really cool. So explain to me a little bit about the music videos, because give me the creative process of the music videos and tell me a little bit about them. I want to know a little bit more.
Yeah, man, like my videos is they live, man. My videos can be live, and as you know, in majority of my videos I have women in my videos.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And we all know men, we love women, we love to see females or whatever. But you know, so with
Smart,
my
smart.
videos,
Yeah.
man, I've with these recent videos that I got, and make sure you all, you know what I'm saying, subscribe to my YouTube channel, you know, Love Doctor. You know, I like to think of stories. I'm a person that loves to be more of like my own director, you know, my own writer or whatever. So
Yeah,
with
yeah.
I come up with
That's cool.
storylines, you know. I come up with based on the song and the style of the song that I make, you know, I really use that to you know, utilize like, you know, something that's gonna, because people love stories, you know what I'm saying, something that's gonna gravitate people into like
100%. Yeah.
this, you know what I'm saying, this dream or something, you know what I'm saying. I want to make it feel real and intimate, you know what I'm saying, depending on the song.
Yeah.
So I got, yeah, I mean, I got my some songs like Ebony. That's my latest song video that I dropped. Living Single, and some other videos, man. So, but I'm very creative when it comes to my videos, and like I said, I love to use women in my videos as well. Depending on the song, it can be sexy, it can be intimate, it can be, you know, just a cool laid back vibe. You know,
Yeah.
just depending on that. So, you know, it's definitely live, you know what I'm saying, as if
For
and
sure.
something you know what I'm saying, you may not have seen, and what recent artists are doing right now, you know what I'm saying. I like to be different, you know what I'm saying. I like to portray that brand into my videos, to really, you know what I'm saying, show people what the Love Doctor is and what he represents, you know what I'm saying. That's dealing with love, that's dealing with, you know what I'm saying, life circumstances, you know, that's dealing with just getting through life, period, you know. So whatever it is,
100%.
man,
Yeah.
you're gonna get a live show, you know. And like I said, like I'm like a director when it comes to my videos, you know. I like a whole storyline from beginning to the end, you know. So but yeah, man, I know you, like you said, like, you know, they some crazy videos out there, so please be
Yeah, they're definitely gonna
advised.
make you click for sure. So you know what you're doing. They're gonna click for sure. But anyways, okay. So Love Doctor right now, 2021. Where do you see yourself in the next 12 to 18 months? Like, do you plan for the future, or do you just take it by the day? Like, how do you strategize and plan for the next coming months? Do you like just go all out and just try to make as much as music as you can, or do you have a plan? Like, what's next for Love Doctor? I want to know
Yeah,
that.
yeah, for sure, man. I am definitely a goal oriented person. Planning is and something I recommend to every artist out there. Is to give give a 5 to 10 year plan. You know, you should have that in place, and follow that. You know, that's gonna really what's gonna keep you accountable. You know, so for me, and shout out to YBG Tsunami, my business partner. We plan a lot, you know, with our business and what we got going on. With me as the artist, being Love Doctor, definitely, you know, the next 8 to 12 months, I would say, I want to be in a position to where I really take advantage of my brand, Love Doctor. I do want to be in
Yeah.
a position where, you know, I want to have my own book. I want to be able to have a resource out
Ooh,
there
Love Doctor
for
book.
other. Yeah, man. Yeah, Love Doctor book. It's kind of like an autobiography, you know, type of thing that I want to have out there. I also
Heck
want
yeah.
to have a resource out there for independent artists that's really looking for those fundamentals of building their own blueprint
Mm.
and making it into the music industry. Either that's like an ebook that I want to have, some live webinars.
Yeah.
So I want to have that structured business going for me. By then, I also going to be working on my apparel. My whole line of Mud Life Records, and also Love Doctor, including as the line for some of my future apparel. So I'll be in that line of business. And also, man, I definitely want to be in a higher position with what compared to where I am now. I want to be able to, you know, connect with different higher artists. You know, either that's celebrity artists or anything like that. You know, I want to be able to, for the
Yeah.
world to already know Love Doctor. You know, like I'm in a position now where I'm still independent. You know, and I'm still
Yeah.
doing my own thing. So by then, you know, planning out ahead, I want to put myself in a position where, I really use my business, because my business is Mud Life Records, and really push that out, that brand out too, to where, like I said, I want to have my own book and resource out there for people, my own marketing apparel, that's going on.
Do you see yourself doing any shows in the next coming months?
Man, I was just gonna bring that up, man. By that time too, I want to have my own show as well, the Love Seat or something.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Love Seat. So it definitely be like a vibe. Different couples come in, or women by themselves, women's that by themselves that come in. So I had that definitely already.
Invite me, man.
Yeah. I'm thinking, man, there'll be like either a live thing or something. But yeah, that's gonna be worked on too, man. To have my own show. You know what I'm saying? And like I said, really using that brand into doing so many things, you know what I'm saying, with Love Doctor, you know what I'm saying? So like right now I already you know what I'm saying, wear the coat and everything. I love passing out roses to the ladies. You'll be surprised, the roses does a lot to the women out there, man. They I mean, like, if you got a man out there, man, if you a guy, man, make sure you give your woman, some rose just because it's Tuesday or Wednesday or Thursday. Just give her a rose. That goes a long way.
Oh,
but
man,
yeah, man, we're gonna be doing
big
big things, man, in the next year, man, and definitely by next year that I want to be. So.
I love the fact that I like the idea of the concert. Like, it's really cool because it's an open invitation for couples to come, and it just gives a better experience. It's not just like a rap concert. It's like a showcase for like you as an artist, and it also is giving an open invitation for couples. That's really cool, and you should totally run with that idea. It's awesome.
Awesome.
No rappers are doing this right now.
Yeah, I'm saying, man, like the ideas that I have and everything, I put it down, write it down, and just, stick to it, But it's going great though, man. Everything going great. All them guys playing, right now. So I'm looking forward to just the next chapter. You know what I mean? Like the world, countries knowing like Love Doctor.
Awesome, bro. So right now, as of the current time of this recording, you're doing pretty good numbers. You're crushing it on Spotify. YouTube's doing really good. You just built a website, lovedoctor.co. That's sick. People, why? I would try to find a reason why they should subscribe to your email or to your website, because you have an amazing website, and I want people to come to your website to check it out. Are you going to post anything cool on your website for the average fans to come check it out? Are you going to be dropping an exclusive music video only dropped on your website or anything like that? Are you thinking of anything special?
Yeah, man. I got some things coming up, some great content lined up for you all, man. Stay in tune with the page and everything, man. Like, it's going to be all around Love Doctor, and also in the future, next couple of months, what I got, man, by next year, I'm already working on my album. Right now, I got some singles coming up. I actually got a single dropping this Friday called Hands Up. So it's gonna be a lot of great content, man. I'm already got some videos coming, man. Like I said, man, I'm always working, man. So be on the lookout. Be on the lookout for some. Be on the lookout, man. I'm telling you.
All right, boss. We're going to put all of your socials right here on the screen right now, guys. If there's anything to say to your fans, what is something you want to say to your fans? You have 30 seconds to say it. Go ahead.
Man, I want to say, man, although during this tough crisis that we're in right now, man, stay motivated, stay self-motivated, stay spiritual, stay manning your own business out here. Focus on you. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do anything. Take whatever that gift that you have and run with it. Life is short right now. A lot of things are going on right now. You want to make sure your mental is right. You want to make sure your health is right. And like I said, you want to stay spiritual, man, along the journey that you are on, man. Really talk, man. I'm still doing my thing right now. I'm still growing. And like I said, everything I've been doing has just really been just focused on whatever I got going on, my own business, man, my own business, man. So, blessed to you all, man. I thank y'all. I love y'all.
You guys heard it here
Thank
first. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We are going to end off the podcast here. If you guys want to follow Love Doctor, his socials are going to be in the description below. You can go check him out. Go hit him up. Go tell Leballoo sent you. Go blow him up and stuff like that. But anyways, guys, this is gonna be the end of the podcast. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.
Peace.